guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, look what we have here. I have been following Mr. Dwight Meyers, and he has been doing a lot of colander pours, so I thought I'd give it a try. However, I have a totally different recipe. It's kind of evolved. I started out with one idea and that didn't work out. Test tell number one, no. And then I switched it up. The first one was the Amsterdam, all of the pearl colors, and then I added some pearl medium from Vallejo, and that's what I ended up with. So that wasn't good. So then I ended up adding some 7300 from Bear, or the pour over color, I should say, blue black. And then I added more floetrol. Oh, shoot. And I ended up with this. Black was a little on the thicker side, so I've added some extra water. I've not tried it with the colander yet, so here we go. I was having some trouble getting the colors to pop, so what I did was I added some golden permanent violet dark to the violet, and I added a little bit of this is I'm surprised I still had a little bit left in there. This is Art Minds. It's totally been discontinued for years. It's called Knockout. And I put that in here along with a drop or two of cadmium red hue from Golden. And that was with the red pearl from Amsterdam. This is Prussian blue hue from Golden with the blue pearl from Amsterdam. This was the green pearl from Amsterdam, and I added some phthalo turquoise. Looks very Easter egg hunty kind of thing. And then the yellow pearl, I added some benzo midazoline yellow to that, and that's also, and that was with the Amsterdam yellow. This is the Amsterdam pearl white, and I haven't added anything to this. So I'm trying to figure out which way I want to go. I think I'm going to start with the white. A little bit more white in just for giggles. Just want to let this come out. Ooh, it looks pretty. Yeah, what Dwight Meyers has been doing, oh God, he's got some really amazing work on these colander pours. They're really cool. You got to check them out. I'll put his link in the description. These look like they're a little bit on the thick side. I tried to water them down as much as I could. I'm just gonna let it flow. Let it flow. So cool. bald spot right there. Didn't make it over. Didn't make it over here either. Oh my gosh, look what we can do. Yeah. Looks like my negative space is going to end up in that corner. We'll see. So I am going to put you on time lapse and let this do its thing. So I know Dwight usually uses any satin enamels in any of his. Hey guys, so I wanted to see if the pearls came through. Wow, there's a lot of peacock cells in there. So, looked like there were some fava beans, you know, so I kind of put my finger in it and twirled a little bit. Yeah, I wasn't real fond of the fava beans, so anyhow, we got a few little constellations happening over here. Looks like an Easter egg hunt to me. Anyhow, all of the Amsterdam pearls I got from floetrol.co. And you can get some too. I'll probably clean this up in here. And I'm pretty happy with it, given it was my first try. Well, I think I did one similar to this a long time ago, and it kind of looked like Fruit Loops. But they were regular paints, they weren't the pearls. But I'm pretty happy with this. I'll have to see how it dries. Those pearls really tend to give a nice shine. So, Dwight, you'll have to let me know how I did. It's not perfect, but I don't even mind the composition at all. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I'll have to figure out, I think I'll put this part as the bottom, that orientation. All right, please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now. Hey guys, so here it is, almost dry. Yeah, and there's some of those fava beans that I turned into little flowers, little finger dips and twirly-doos. And this part right here, right in the center, I love. Look at all those colors. Ooh, yummy, yummy. I'll have to take this outside sometime and film it there. I love it. I am going to try it again in white.